Welcome to the CPAExPro installation and guide video. My name is Chris. I'm the developer and creator of CPAExPro. I'm going to give you a quick run over of what the site is. Basically, um, it's a CPA offer system that's meant to allow users to exchange CPA offer completion simply and quickly. What the site does is it allows you to set it up in less than a minute. All you need is a web host that allows curl URL, file get contents, and has the newest version of PHP. You also need MySQL. You have to set up a database beforehand, and it will automatically install everything for you. You also need a CPA Leads account. I'll give you the link in the description below. Right now I'm going to go over how to install the file once you've made the purchase or you've obtained the file for free. You want to upload the zip file into your folder, extract its contents, and you'll be left with these following files. I'm going to go ahead and delete the zip file. As you can see, there's a couple of pages here. There's your CP, which is your control panel. That's where you can administrate the sub IDs, how many offers each person has done, their IP address, and their exchange link URL if they've completed your required amount of offers and entered their URL already. Index.php is where your users will be functioning with the site. It generates a sub ID unique to the SALT for the website along with their IP address. That's shade 1, so it's a little difficult for them to understand what the data is, but it's unique for every user. It gives them a total of how many offers they've completed out of how many are required. It'll go over the offer required amount so that they can do multiple sets. It'll also allow them, after they've completed the required amount the first time, to enter their CPAExPro website URL so that you can go ahead and exchange back with them, obviously if you're setting up an exchange. The postback.php is set up to allow, well actually the postback.php and the redirect.php is set up to allow multiple networks. We have an API system that's set up using OOP PHP that allows simple integration. Right now we only have CPA lead, but we will eventually be adding in more networks as we expand further out. So the postback.php allows you to seamlessly integrate their postback options and make sure that all your offers that are completed are valid and not skipped over or whatever. Along with the redirect.php, which allows you to properly log when somebody starts the offer, along with click-through information and have statistics later on the website. The robots.txt is set up to prevent Google, Bing, and Yahoo from indexing the page. Like I said, we're trying to keep this as secure as possible. The installation is really simple. Once you've extracted all your files to your directory, you're going to want to go to your website. I have mine already there. Hit enter, and it'll automatically send you to the installation file. This is the installation page. It's one page long. It's not too much information, but it allows you to have a wonderful trading experience that's extremely simple. Like I said, you do have to have MySQL. That is the most important part. The rest of this, even by default, is pretty much useful. You are going to need your CPA lead account at this point. There's a link right here, and there's also a link in the affiliate section down here. As you can see, it's got the page load time and whatnot. It's really minimalistic on the server, so it should run on almost any kind of server, free hosting, whatever. It should work fine. I'm going to go ahead and put in my MySQL information here. I cannot type today, obviously. I'm going to put in a site title. This can be whatever you like. I just like that. How many offers are required for a user to complete to finish the exchange? You can leave it at the default of 3. What anonymous referrer system you'd like to use. I currently have 3 options of none, meaning it will send them directly to the campaign from your website, null referrer, which means it'll go through null referrer and then to the campaign, and then nani. I like to leave null referrer. This is the sub ID prefix. Essentially, your sub ID is going to be something along these lines, with the user's IP following the sub ID prefix, which is right here, and it's going to be shade 1. So I'm just going to leave it like that. The admin username, which I'm just going to set like that, admin password, that is used to later on access your control panel that I was talking about earlier. CPA lead enabled, you're going to leave it to true, obviously, because you do want to have some kind of offers on your website. For your CPA lead affiliate ID, you're going to want to go to your CPA lead dashboard, and then right here at the top where it says affiliate ID, you're going to want to copy those numbers and paste those right there. For your CPA postback password, you're going to want to go to your CPA leads, click tools, click feeds, global postback setup, and I'll explain this in a second. I have a random password set up right here. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to global post setup, put my password in right there. I'm going to put my website URL, this directing to the CPAExPro /postback.php network equals CPA lead. The reason why it does this is it allows you to use this one URL for all of your networks. It's an API-based system. So you're going to put in CPA leads so you can identify this as coming from CPA leads when they send the postback information. Click save. Make sure to enable it also. And then we're going to go back to our installation, and I have all my information entered, so I'm going to click save. And as you can see, the site is already functioning. Anybody that you send to this URL is going to generate a randomized sub ID. How many offers they've completed out of the required. It's going to give them the list of networks. Right now it's all in CPA lead. What offer types there are. It's going to drop all the offers down here. As you can see, I can order them along with other options. It'll give them what country they're from. Remember that this runs off of the CPA geolocation, so you don't have to worry about getting the proper geolocated surveys and whatnot. With this right here, you're going to be making money. We click on the control panel. Just give you an example of what it looks like. I've got the username and password already set up. Log in, and as you can see, there's the sub ID of myself, my IP address, and the status of 0 out of 3. After somebody finishes all 3 offers, right in this area right here, a box will pop up asking for their CPAExPro URL. When they enter it, it will be displayed on the control panel right here after they've entered their URL. As you can see, it's a very, very nice system. It's very simple. There's absolutely no work setting it up. I mean, it's just the most simplistic system. It runs itself literally, and all it takes is just a very small amount of work. I mean, honestly, go around, do a couple of offers, get your friends to do a couple of offers with you, exchange through the system, and you'll be making money in absolutely no time at all. Honestly, you guys got to check this out. There's a link in the description with all the other information, anything that you can need. All right, you guys have a great day.